Introducing the Lumex Overbed Table, an all-encompassing solution for clinicians and patients. The Lumex Overbed Table features the lowest profile base on the market, designed to fit under any hospital bed. The exposed base with no plastic cover allows for easy cleaning of base and casters. Tabletop is available in laminate and thermofoil to provide durability. A seamless spill guard is standard and can hold up to 36 ounces of liquid. The dual top secondary surface is one-hand activated and is designed to the side to reduce infection control issues and eliminate hidden spaces between surfaces, unlike other sliding tops on the market. The integrated accessory rail on both sides of the column allows for the easy transfer of accessories such as IV hooks, urinals, storage baskets from head wall rails. Lumex offers optional accessories to complement our table. Shock absorbent gas spring cylinder for easy height adjustment. The table easily adjusts in height from a low 28 inches to 44 inches high. Easy roll casters provide smooth rolling action. It's designed to hold up to 100-pound weight capacity and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Available in 4 attractive tabletop finishes. Lumex Overbed Tables, making infection control easy. For more information, check out www.gramfield.com.